Hi everyone. In today's lesson, I will go over two examples showing how to differentiate a function using chain rule. Chain rule sometimes called function of the function. So if y is the function of x, then the formula of chain rule is dy by dx equal du over dx multiplies by dy over du. Example number 1. So if we have y equal x cubed plus 2x minus 4 all to the power 3. So I'm going to show you step by step. So the first step, you're going to say let whatever is inside the bracket, you're going to assume that's equal to u. So you're going to say let u equal inside the bracket is x cubed plus 2x minus 4. So if that's a u, so basically y will be u to the power 3. Okay? So next step, we're going to differentiate each of these two functions individually. So we're going to write du over dx, and here will be dy over du. So according of the general of differentiation, you're just going to bring the power to the front, subtract 1 from the power. We do the same thing here. Bring the power to the front, subtract 1 from the power. Bring the power to the front, subtract 1 from the power. So you end up having 2. And the constant number, it will become 0. So minus 4, when we differentiate it, it will become 0. If you are not sure about these rules, there's a short video on differentiation 1. Please go back and check it there. So now I'm going to write down the formula of chain rule, which is dy over dx equal du over dx times dy over du. So all I'm going to do now, I'm going to replace dy over du. That's dy over dx. I'm going to replace it by this answer here. So it's going to be 3x squared plus 2. And instead of dy by du, I'm going to put 3u squared. Now I'm just going to try to simplify it. Usually we write number at the front. And the final step is to bring the u back. So instead of u, so the value of u was this, so I'm going to bring this back. X cubed plus 2x minus 4, and I'm going to bring this square back. That's your final answer. Hopefully you get the same answer here. Example number 2. So y equal 2e to the power minus 0.4x. To answer this question, we're going to refer to table of differentiation. So we're going to do the same step, yeah? This time u is going to be equal to negative 0.4x, the value of the power. So if that's a u, y will be 2e to the power u. Okay? All we did is replace negative 0.4x by u. We're going to differentiate these over dx. This will be dy over du. Okay, again we're just going to end up having negative 0.4. The x's will cancel, and if you go to table of differentiation, you will see the exponential function. When we differentiate it, it will remain the same. Okay, so we're going to write down the formula of chain rule again. dy over dx, du over dx times dy over du. Okay, so all we're going to do now, replace these with the actual value. So instead of du by dx, I'm going to write down this value, which is negative 0.4, times, instead of dy by du, I'm going to write down this value. Okay, so we're going to multiply the constant number by each other. You will have 0.8 e to the power u. And the final step, okay, as you can see, the value of u was minus 0.4x. Thanks. Please, if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.